Welcome back to Car Accessories and Gadget, the ultimate garage for transforming your daily driver into something seriously epic. Today, we're talking about 17 insanely clever car gadgets that are just too cool to ignore. Whether you're after convenience, tech, safety, or just some fun upgrades, this list is packed with game changers. All the links waiting for you in the description. Let's hit the road. First up, we've got the car ashtray with lid. And trust me, this isn't some cheap plastic add-on. It's compact, heavy-duty, and designed with a slick blue LED light inside so you can use it at night without fumbling around. The ceiling lid locks in smoke and ash, keeping your cabin clean and odor-free. It fits most cup holders, is super easy to clean, and adds a touch of sophistication to your console. A classy upgrade for anyone who likes to keep things fresh. Now let's elevate your interior vibe with the Smart Car Air Freshener. Say goodbye to those overpowering, one-note cardboard trees hanging from your mirror. This one uses intelligent diffusion tech to evenly spread a refreshing scent that actually lasts. It's USB rechargeable, fits cleanly in your cup holder or console, and brings a high-end feel to your car's interior. Subtle, stylish, and surprisingly powerful. This one will have your passengers asking, "What's that amazing smell?" On to the magnetic car phone mount. And this is no flimsy fall-off-the-dash deal. This bad boy uses a high-strength neodymium magnet to lock your phone securely in place, even on the bumpiest roads. It offers full 360-degree rotation for perfect viewing angles, whether you're navigating or taking hands-free calls. The minimalist design keeps your dashboard looking clean, and the installation is a breeze. If you're still dealing with old clip mounts, it's time to upgrade. Got passengers in the back? You're gonna love the Car Headrest tablet holder. This adjustable mount attaches to your seat's headrest and transforms the back seat into a mini theater. Whether it's a long road trip or just the daily school run, your kids or friends can watch movies, stream shows, or even get some gaming in. It's compatible with most tablets, super stable, and keeps everyone entertained while you stay focused on the road ahead. We've all had that moment. Drop your phone or keys between the seats, and suddenly you're on a rescue mission. That's where the universal car seat gap filler comes in. It slides right into that annoying gap between your seat and the center console, catching anything that tries to slip through. It keeps your cabin cleaner, saves time, and honestly, just makes driving less frustrating. It's one of those things you'll wonder how you lived without. If you're watching this and thinking, "Yeah, I need that," just scroll down. All the links are waiting for you in the description, so go grab your favorites before they're gone. Let's keep it clean with the car vacuum cleaner. This compact powerhouse plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet and delivers surprisingly strong suction. It comes with multiple attachments to get into every corner, under the seats, in the cup holders, even in those awkward crevices near the gear shift. Whether it's pet hair, snack crumbs, or random dirt, this thing makes cleanup fast and easy. Keep it in your trunk, and your interior will always stay fresh. Next up is the oddly satisfying but super useful car cleaning gel. It looks like slime, feels like jelly, and works like magic. Just press it into hard-to-reach spots like air vents, gear shifters, and cup holders. Then peel it back to reveal all the dust and debris it picked up. It's reusable, non-sticky, and safe for your interior surfaces. You'll be amazed at how much grime it grabs. Plus, it's kind of fun to use. If you're serious about keeping your car looking spotless, the foam cannon is your new best friend. Connect it to your pressure washer, pour in your favorite soap, and let it blast a thick layer of foam across your vehicle. The foam clings to dirt and grime, loosens it, and helps prevent scratches during the wash. It turns a chore into something you'll actually look forward to. Bonus, your neighbors might start asking where you got it. For those who hate plugging in cables every time you hop in, the wireless CarPlay adapter is a game changer. It connects instantly to your factory CarPlay system. No cords, no hassle, just seamless integration. Your apps, messages, music, and maps are ready as soon as the engine's on. It's fast, reliable, and totally transforms your driving experience. Once you go wireless, you'll never want to go back to tangled cords again. And if your ride didn't come with CarPlay to begin with, don't worry. The portable CarPlay screen has your back. Mount it on your dash, plug it into power, and you've got a crisp, responsive touchscreen that supports both CarPlay and Android Auto. It's perfect for older vehicles or base models that didn't get the tech package. Navigation, calls, music, all at your fingertips. Easy to install and makes any car feel brand new. Want to grab any of these for your ride? Hit the description below. Every product is linked and ready for you to check out. Don't wait too long. The good stuff moves fast. Now, let's talk safety with the front and rear dash cam. This dual lens setup records both ends of your journey in crystal clear HD, even at night. It loops automatically, saves footage in emergencies, and can be the difference between proving your innocence or footing a huge bill. Installation is simple, and the peace of mind it brings? Priceless. Whether it's insurance claims or unexpected moments, you'll want this running every time you drive. If you've ever had a dead battery in the middle of nowhere, you'll understand why the NOCO GB40 Jump Starter Pack is a must-have. This portable unit fits right in your glove box and packs enough power to jumpstart your car, truck, or SUV in seconds. It also charges your phone and comes with a built-in flashlight. Spark-proof and idiot-proof, it's one of those tools you'll be glad you had when things go sideways. When that check engine light comes on, don't panic. Plug in the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 scanner. It gives you instant diagnostics straight from your vehicle's brain. Read codes, understand what's wrong, and skip the guessing game. You'll save yourself unnecessary trips to the mechanic and possibly avoid major issues down the line. It's easy to use, super accurate, and a great investment in your car's health. Ever find yourself with low tire pressure at the worst possible time? The Airmoto tire inflator is cordless, powerful, and compact enough to live in your trunk. It quickly inflates your tires, has a digital pressure display, and even comes with adapters for bikes, balls, and more. Oh, and did I mention it? Charges your phone too? Whether you're in the driveway or on a mountain road, this tool's got your back. Now let's talk power on the move. The ANINOPE 45W fast car charger is built for speed and style. It's got dual ports, so you can charge two devices at once, and the metal body looks slick and feels solid. Whether you're charging a tablet, a phone, or even a dash cam, this thing delivers juice fast without overheating. It's the perfect match for modern tech and long road trips alike. Wrapping things up with a big one, the electric bike hitch rack. If you're into biking adventures, this is essential. It's built tough to carry electric bikes, mountain bikes, or cruisers safely and securely. It folds when not in use, installs easily on most standard hitches, and holds everything tight, even on rugged roads. Whether you're heading to the mountains or just the next trail, this rack lets you bring your ride with you, hassle-free. Everything you saw today, from the slick gadgets to the lifesavers, is linked up below. Go explore the description and lock in the upgrades that speak to your style. If something caught your eye today, go ahead and tap that like button. Share the video with your gearhead crew and hit subscribe for more amazing finds just like these. Until next time, stay sharp, drive smart, and keep your ride looking next level.